Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete row in the table in your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to delete a row in the table on your WPS spreadsheet, I'm just going to show. So for that, first of all, I'm just going to insert a table here. So after inserting the table, you can see there is a lot of rows here. So I just need only 3 rows here, but here you have more than 10 rows. So how I just can delete it? The first thing that you can just delete the row by clicking on it as cell, any cell, if you want to delete this row, you can just click anywhere on any cell of the row and right click here, and you will see an option called delete, and here you will see this option called delete row. Click on this. So you can also select 2 rows, and you can just click on this and click on the right click on your mouse, and you just use the delete option, and you can click on the delete table row. That's it. Otherwise, another thing, you can just resize the table if it doesn't have any content, it's something like blank. You just click on this and you can just resize it. If it is having a lot of content like this, and you can just want to use this option to delete the row. This is the 2 way that you can just delete the row on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a wonderful day.